Well, good morning. We got some sleep. It drizzled rain for a long time last night, but anyway, we were nice and snug in there. Luke's still sleeping this morning. I'm gonna just let him sleep till he's ready to get up, and then we're gonna go try and find a hog. I think the rain's coming again today, so we'll just have to see how much time we have before that happens, and maybe we can get something. Alright, we're headed in the woods. You ready to go look for a hog? Yeah. It's nice and quiet this morning in that rain. We'll slip around in here and see if we can find one. Found some hog sign from just a little bit ago. It is super fresh, all on top of the rain. See that hog sign, son? Yeah. Little man's picked him some flowers for his mama. But we ain't found no hogs yet. We're gonna keep after it for a little while, then we have to go. But this is steaming hot sign. Alright, we made it back to the boat. We're gonna head back and pack up camp and head out of here.
No, get my life vest on.
Yeah, we'll get your life vest on, bub. We got skunked. What do you think, Luke? Did you have fun?
Yeah.
A lot of fun?
Yeah.
Yeah. But no hogs.
No hogs.
We're gonna head back and get packed up.
But a sauce.
Alright, camp's packed up. Luke's just trying to catch some stuff with his net. We fixing to head out of here. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. I know we didn't get no hogs this trip, but me and Luke had a great time. I'm going home hungry again. That happens sometimes. We did find some fresh hog sign right there at the end before we had to leave, but Luke was getting ready to go and it was getting late. So we're going to head on out of here. Thanks for watching. I'll see y'all on the next one.